Horses out, we have Guillermo, pass to begin, Perfectionist, rushing about the outside now, racing eagerly for the lead, is in this task, by about a length, down on the inside is Perfectionist, 2 lengths away in third, Guillermo, racing in fourth comes Dear John, Queen Maker, then followed by Milk and Honey, and Nilagos Magic is the early trailer, Perfectionist by about 3/4 of a length. Moving upon the outside now is in this task. This time two runners fighting it out for the lead. In this task once again back to 3/4 of a length lead. Perfectionist dressed back in second. Guillermo in third. Moving upon the outside for Dear John. Queen Maker then followed by Milk and Honey. And too far behind is Syllabus Magic. Meanwhile, we have in this task by about a length. Perfectionist still in second, then in third, Guillermo. Dear John now trying to get closer in third. Then followed by Queen Maker, Milk and Honey, and Nilagos Magic. In this task by about 5 lengths now. Perfectionist remains in second. Moving upon the outside now is Dear John together with Milk and Honey. Last 100 meters. We have in this task by about 7 lengths our Dear John Perfectionist. And finally, it's in this task. Second, Dear John Perfectionist, Guillermo, Queen Maker, Milk and Honey, having some problem. Jackie J.
All right. So, Sharon, it's a 6-5-4-2 in this task.